You wake up late because you lack discipline. You wake up late because your system is built for comfort. Your phone, your habits, your sleep timing, everything is keeping you in bed. You don't need more motivation. You need a better system. Here are the 3 steps. 1. Win the night. Waking up early starts the night before. Late scrolling and one more video steal your morning energy. Stop all screens 1 hour before bed. Pick a fixed sleep time and protect it. If you control your night, you control your morning. 2. Remove negotiation. Snoozing trains you to quit. Put your alarm across the room so you must stand up. Use a strong alarm tone. When it rings, move immediately. No thinking, no excuses. Action builds discipline. 3. Same wake-up time daily. Your body needs rhythm. Don't wake up at different times every day. Pick one time and stick to it, even on weekends. Consistency fixes your energy. Discipline is showing up even when you feel tired. You don't need more motivation. Motivation fades. Systems last. Fix your nights. Remove negotiation. Stay consistent. And one day, you won't need the alarm anymore.